still on my mind. And we build it up, just to let it wash away. Tell me did
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all already know mommy duties in effect. So I went to Walmart and I had to get me my new mattress. And look at this guy, he was so nice. Hey, he was trying to get it inside, but it was not fitting, so I had to help him. So that's why I stopped recording. But they have this mattress, and it's a mattress in a box, it's called. And then I got me some groceries, some bananas, some mangoes, and she got some good nights. And I got this cute ass rug. This cute rug. Y'all forget what I said. And look, writing on the box already. I don't understand why kids do this, but anywho, that's what they do. It's a hybrid mattress, so cute, and it was like $89. Y'all see how nice it is? So if you want to comment in the section down there, it's a queen size. Let me know if you want to help me, because I haven't noticed some people want to help me, but they email me. But y'all could comment, let me know, okay, and come help me, because this stuff is heavy. Now anyway, I'm taking it out, and it was happened to be raining. I don't understand why Mother Nature want to be on her attitude, but it was sunny and now it's freezing rain. Like, what's going on? Anyway, I'm rolling inside and I'm about to take it out, but y'all already know, okay, this the mom life. So my husband needs to hurry up and get his butt here.
More like that.
God.
I think this side's supposed to be down.
Oh, we gotta flip.
Yep.
Be careful. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all already know, we are gonna get a new table, and Nova is gonna surprise with like a kitty laptop desk. I'm thinking that's what it is. I didn't buy it, so babe is gonna hook it up, and we are gonna watch him work. So I'm gonna do some groceries. I'm gonna do some running around. Y'all stay tuned, and thank y'all for watching, like, and subscribing. Hey y'all, to all my new subscribers, thank y'all for joining me on my journey and coming along with me. I appreciate y'all. I give y'all gratitude, and without further ado, Lego. And then that's her tablet. I think this one because it has a holder for the tablet. And once she gets a real one, not that little one. Maybe the one in the back that you got her. Something that's like wide, like a computer. You need that?
Okay. I probably don't. just by looks, I probably could just do it. But in case I get lost.
Okay, I hope y'all wasn't too bored with that music, but listen, y'all gotta work with me because I am still trying to get the app that gives me the good YouTube music in the background. But anyway, how did y'all like this setup? Oh my goodness, he did such a good job. But anyway, I love it, I love it, and she loved it. Like you heard, she said she loved it. So he gets a 5-star from us. And she is already on top of it, guys. Like, she's doing her homework, she's eating, she's cleaning, playing, reading, everything. And she's on her tablet. I love it. It's just amazing to watch kids grow and use their imagination. You know, I just love it. But the colors, they have different colors too. Okay, y'all, so I had to take a road trip to New York, and I was just like, okay, let me record a little bit because I go to New York literally every other weekend because since my mom died, I be over there cleaning out her place, right? But that's neither here nor there. Look at how Flatbush looks. Oh my goodness, it changed so much. Flatbush, dollar van. I ain't seen no dollar van, y'all. But anyway, I had fun. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope y'all like that. Her table is super cute. Don't forget, it is $89 on Amazon, and that's the cheapest. If you don't want a table like that, you want a cheaper one, it's cheaper, but listen, you're gonna get what you pay for. So don't come for me. Thank you. But in my next video, I'm gonna do some juicing because I want to get back to my holistic channel, okay, and my holistic roots. And I want to get more health conscious because, you know, I have a surprise for y'all, but I don't want to let you know yet. So this is what we doing now. We're going to do some juicing. We're going to do some mommy stuff. And I am so grateful for y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.